have happened last night. तो क्या हुआ था, किसने किया था. This is all about asking subject in the sentence, so it's about who and what questions. It is not correct to say who did open the door. आपने यहाँ पर did कभी इस्तेमाल नहीं करना. आपने open की second form इस्तेमाल करके बता देना कि you are asking about something happened in the past. ये सही form of structure नहीं है sentence का. Second, what did happen last night? Again, आपने did इस्तेमाल नहीं करना to make such questions. It's just आपने happened करके second form से बता दिया कि आप you are asking about the past event. Second type questions होते हैं information questions में whom and what in complement questions. A complement question is the one in which you are asking about complement. ऐसा sentence जिसमें complement की information missing होती है, उनके questions बनाने के लिए sentences को हम whom and what इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So the sentence structure will be whom or what followed by an auxiliary do, does and did, followed by subject, verb and the modifier. Since missing है complement तो वो हम question कर रहे हैं in the form of whom and what. Important note यह है कि although in the speech most people use who rather than whom in these questions, but in the correct written English form you should use the word whom to indicate that the question word comes from the complement position and not for the who. Who, remember, will come when you आप subject को question कर रहे हैं या subject inquire कर रहे हैं. But if you are inquiring about complement, then principally the right word is whom. So इसकी कुछ examples हैं. From whom does Ahmad know from Venezuela? Ahmad knows someone from Venezuela. Since it is about an information, Ahmad, we know the subject. So who does he know? It's an additional confirmation which is complement. So हम यहाँ पे whom mention करेंगे. Second example है what did George buy at the store? It is something he bought at the store which is an additional information. So it's the complement information which is missing. So George, what did George buy from the store, right? Third form of to answer information question is when, where, how and why questions. ये वो questions हैं again जिसमें हम complement को ही question form करते हैं जब हमारे पास complement missing है further. तो इस वाले में structure आपको formation ही होगी कि when, where, how and why, followed by an auxiliary be, do, does and did, followed by subject, verb and complement and then modifier. इसमें आप मज़ीद एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन कॉम्प्लीमेंट की मिसिंग हो तो हम ये क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. तो द स्ट्रक्चर सेंटेंस वुड बी व्हेन डिड जॉन मूव टू जेकन्सविले, राइट? वेयर डज मोहम्मद लिव? व्हाई डिड, अगेन ऑक्सिलरी, जॉर्ज इज सब्जेक्ट, लीव इज वर्ब, फॉलोड बाय सो अर्ली विच इज़ लाइक मॉडिफायर ऑफ टाइम. हाउ डिड मारिया गेट टू स्कूल टुडे? Where has Henry gone? It's a simple present perfect tense. And when will Bertha go back to Mexico? It's a future question regarding regarding additional information of his